Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, although I think you can kind of only see the back end of him, and we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day. It is also January and I live in Minnesota. So I was so happy once again to have something to brighten my day. We got the box, and as you can see, if you've seen mine recently, this is a pretty small box. So yeah, I don't think there's any shoes in it. So I guess a couple more things. I have been a customer of Stitch Fix for I think just over a year, and I was doing these videos before I started to work at Stitch Fix, and so now I am a stylist and I do style myself, but I don't really know what's in the box because I always forget. And so let's just jump right in. So let's just see what we got. Watson's more awake now. Okay, so the first thing that I sent myself was this pair of Pistola cargo skinnies, and so I believe this is my fourth pair, maybe my third. I have the olive color, the light purple color, and I think a light gray, if I'm not mistaken. So these are the dark gray, and I just like them a lot. They're the way they fit, they're super comfortable, and they're just an easy thing to throw on. That's different than a jean, but they fit really well for me, so I'm excited to try those on. The one thing I'll say is I'm again kind of between a petite and a regular size, and so these are a petite, so we will see how they fit. Okay, so this is just a black v-neck t-shirt. It's just basic, but it's really, really soft, and I think the name of this one, it's by Market & Spruce, and it's the Trumer knit top. So I had received this in white previously. I still want it in white again. So we'll try this one on. Next, okay. This is this black shirt. Again, this has been around for a little bit, so some of you might have it. It's not going to show well on camera. Can you kind of see the cutout? So this is, excuse me, it's like a heavier knit material, and it has that little cutout, so we'll kind of see what it looks like. It looks like it's just about a 1/2 to 3/4 sleeve, so try that one out. Next, oh, and the other thing is, not only are there no shoes, there are no jackets and no jeans. Okay, next is this, I believe this is an R&D style sweater. Yep, it is. So let me see what it's called. This is the Avelina arm detail pullover. So this is in black, and I think this is a size small, and I will try it on, but it has these arm cutouts, which I want to overdo those, but I kind of like them. Okay. And this is the exciting item that I sent myself. So it's, for me, it is a little bit outside of my comfort zone because I typically wear black and white and gray and very neutral colors, and I don't like a lot of pattern. I'm going to try it on, and we're going to do a lot of editing. All right. So I've got two things on. So first I have the Pistola pants. So if you guys can see them, come up closer to the camera. They've got the zippers here and then the zipper down there. And so if you don't like zippers, you probably won't love these. I think these are pretty subtle, so I actually like them. Now, I mentioned earlier, these are a petite, and so I don't know if you can really see. Like, I feel like they're slightly, just a tiny bit too short on me. Whoa. But I don't know. So I would love your feedback on that piece of it, because these are definitely shorter than the other jeans I typically wear. So, and I think it's because they're actually a petite in like a 26 versus a 27. So when I'm talking about those 26, 27 numbers, I'm talking about the inseam versus the size of the jean. So like you might wear, for example, a size 2, but you still need to know what your inseam is. Are you guys following me? I'm not sure. So at any rate, that's the pants. Then this is the black v-neck t-shirt. If you guys want to see it, again, it's just straight up black v-neck, really, really soft. I like it a lot. and I will be keeping that for sure. So my question is just really on the pants and about the length. But I do like them. They're really comfortable. They've got a little bit of stretch. They don't stretch out too much over the day, but sometimes I do need to wear a belt with them. So on to the next. Okay, so, whoa. So this is a really comfortable top, first of all. And it does have, and again, I think, like I said, this has been around, so some of you may have seen it, but it's really comfortable. It is that kind of like soft knit material. But my favorite part is, look at, it's lined like all the way up. It's totally lined. So even though it's a really fitted shirt, it doesn't feel too bad. Like, this is about as fitted as I would want something to be, but I don't feel uncomfortable in it because of that lining. So this is what it looks like. It has the shoulder cut out here. And again, just really soft and comfortable. And I even do like the sleeve length, even though I wasn't sure if I would. So that's the shirt, and I love your opinions, but I think I'm keeping this one. Oh, thanks for moving, Watson. Okay, so here is the black RD style sweater. It's a little bit of a looser fit. And I like it, actually. I like that. So the back is a little bit longer than the front. It does have that kind of cut, that slit that you can see. So this is what it looks like. It is a little bit sheer. So I actually have a black bra on right now, so I don't know if you can actually see that. So I think if you were wearing like a black bra, you could completely get away with it. And then there is a white version of this, so that one you might want to wear something under, or you might not, depending what you want to do. Okay, so anyway, sorry. So that's what this sweater looks like, and I think it's really cute. So I think I'm probably going to keep it. I'm looking outside my window as it's snowing. Yeah, it's a cute sweater though. What do you think, Watts? Much easier, Watson. Okay, so yeah, I like this. This is, again, a little bit of a looser fit, so if you can kind of see from the side, it does bell out a little bit, but I would not call this a crop sweater at all. So it's pretty lightweight, and the fabric is not like a warm sweater, so again, I would say it's like a light fabric sweater. And the sleeves are a little bit long, which I like myself, but you could obviously roll them up if you chose, because you can. Why? Okay, so anyway, this is the sweater. You can see what it looks like. Like I said, I do feel like in terms of a fit, it's a little bit of a looser fit. I would not say it's long enough for leggings, but I think with jeans, I'll be back to go through the prices. Okay guys, so you will have seen the name brand and name of the item while I tried them on, but I'm just going to go through quickly and tell you the price of each thing. So starting out, the black v-neck t-shirt is $28. So like I said, it's really soft, and I love just having basics like this, so I am keeping that. $28 for that. The next one is this gold ray asymmetric top, and yeah, I surprisingly like this more than I thought I would. This one is $48, and I think because of kind of the unique detail and that extra lining, I think it is definitely worth that price, and I am keeping that. The next thing is the black arm cutout pullover. Again, this is by RD Style, and this one is $64. So a little bit spendy, but it's a pretty nice quality sweater. And again, I like the arm details and I like the way it fits, and so keeping that. Okay, so Watson's doing some moving around. At any rate, this is the Fate sweater, and I like it. It is a little boxier fitting than I typically like, but I I do like it, and I think I already said this, but it's a little outside my comfort zone. It's not something that I'm going to wear a lot of places, but I kind of like it. So keeping that one. And then last are these Pistola, the dark gray cargo skinnies, and these are $88. Did I say that one was 68? It was 68. But these are the ones that I kind of have the question about the length. So I don't think they're that bad, but I would just like your feedback because, of course, I just checked and they don't have a regular to exchange them in. So, yeah, love your feedback on that. So thank you so much for watching once again. It is January. It's Minnesota, like I said. There's a little bit of doldrums going on, but this always brightens my day when I get it, and I hope it does yours as well. If you've not already done so, please subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Watson, can you say goodbye? Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Okay, he says goodbye.